it's Sheilyn from WTI, and come pack my lunch bag with me.
So this lunch bag has a zipper all around, and then once you open it you can see that the whole bag is insulated. So the whole inside of the lunch bag will keep your items cold or hot depending on your preference. But here you can see that this lunch bag fits 6 water bottles, and it's tall enough where you can actually close it. And then it also has 2 side pockets, plenty of space for extra drinks. You can also fit your tumbler in there. You can bring your coffee if you want to take it to go. And then here is a cute little detail. And then it also has a small pocket for utensils or napkins. What I also like about this lunch bag is that you can wear it both ways. You can either carry it on your shoulder, or you can even switch it and carry it on your arm.
So if you're looking for a lunch bag perfect for work or school or even to fund a picnic, I would highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.